In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Sezzle into your Wix website, making payments a breeze for your customers. First things first, we need to make sure you're logged into your Wix account and on your dashboard. It's best to do this in Google Chrome, as it often provides the most compatible browsing experience for online configurations. Once you're comfortably in your Wix dashboard, your next step is to navigate to the Settings section. You can find the Settings option on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking it will open a world of customization options for your site, but for today, we'll focus on payment settings. Here, you'll want to look for the Accept Payments section. It's designed to manage all things related to the financial transactions on your site, and it's where you'll be adding Sezzle as a payment option. Click on Accept Payments and you'll be presented with the various ways to configure how you handle payments on your website. Now, you're ready to select Sezzle as your payment method. In the payment options, you should see the choice of using Sezzle either through Wix payments or as a third-party integration. Sezzle is a simple and customer-friendly payment solution that allows your users to pay over time without any added interest, which can greatly enhance their purchasing experience on your site. After selecting Sezzle, you'll need to connect your existing Sezzle account. If you don't have one yet, you should visit Sezzle's website to set it up. Once that's squared away, you'll return here to log in and connect your account. This part of the process is crucial because it ensures that payments made via Sezzle are correctly routed through your established merchant account. Once connected, it's time to configure the settings, and you'll be providing some necessary information, which typically includes basics like business details and any specific payment terms you'd like to customize. Take your time here to make sure everything fits your business needs and doesn't overlook any important details. With your Sezzle account now linked and configured, it's essential to enable Sezzle as an option on your checkout page. This is the moment your customers will encounter that inviting option to pay with Sezzle. Make sure that this option is clear and easy for them to choose, enhancing both usability and the customer experience. Finally, and very importantly, you must save all the changes and publish your site. It's a small step but crucial, as only published sites will reflect these newly added options to your audience. Once published, take a moment to review your site's checkout process to ensure everything is in proper working order. And there you have it! You've successfully added Sezzle as a payment method on your Wix website. Your customers can now enjoy more flexibility in payments, which can potentially lead to increased sales and satisfied customers. Thank you for tuning in, and happy setting up!